single strip. Okay. Now we can also have the functioning of single sachet. See, let's say what if I said 6, I need 6 counts, then yes, 6 counts. Let's say if I need 6 counts, see, now it will cut in 6 only, 6 strips. Okay. Yes. See, this is strips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All you need to set is in HMI. Only there. All set. Secondly, we can have single sachet in it also. See, yes, just like this. We can have only single sachet in it, just like this. All okay? See. Okay. Now, your suggestion is that you need this in cut. You need this in let's say
मैट बना मैट
see, now for mat we have 2 options. One is that this can be with cut, okay, and this can be also with cut, and this can be plain cutting, just like that. 2 cut, 1 plain, 2 cut. Four together. Give me 5 minutes. Be on video call. We have to change this plain rotary cutter with the cut type. This cut type. Okay. Just be with me 5 minutes. I am commanding. Yes. I will also show you the length. See, this is the parameter of length pulling. Okay, this is, I have put it 200. Let's say if I have put it 150. See, pouch length will get reduced. It will be okay. Earlier it was this pouch length. Now it is this. Yes. Give me just 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you.